Hello guys, I'm gonna do the Sprite challenge, but with ginger ale. Let's see if I can make it through this entire cup without burping. If I do, it's gonna sound horrendous.
You may feel creepy.
It's hard to go down the throat. It's a little hard. So far, so good. Okay, I can kind of feel the effects. Just drink the burp. Did it. Now let's burp. Oh my god. So, if you guys like this, tell the other guys that do this challenge, burp when you're done, because it feels a lot much better. Alright, see you guys later.